Welcome back. Next problem. Two rods A and B of different materials are welded together as shown in figure. These are the two rods, rod A and rod B. These two rods are welded together. Their thermal conductivities are K1 and K2. The thermal conductivity of composite rod will be, दो रॉड है, एक का नाम है ए, दूसरे का बी. These two rods are welded together like this. Coefficient of thermal conductivity for first rod is K1 and second rod is K2. ये join करने के बाद what will be the equivalent coefficient of thermal conductivity? ये question है. Options are given. 3 K1 plus K2 by 2, K1 plus K2, C 2 K1 plus K2 and D K1 plus K2 divided by D. Let us consider T1 and T2 are the temperatures of the two ends of this composite rod. Heat always flows from higher temperature to the lower temperature, and rate of flow of this heat with respect to time is called heat current, and opposition to flow the heat current, it is known as resistance. And K1 K2 are the reciprocals of the resistance. They are known as the coefficient of thermal conductivities, means thermal conductivity, reciprocals of the resistance. We know that when two rods A and B are connected in parallel like this, then resistance decreases. उसका resistance क्या हो रहा है? Decrease हो रहा है. When two resistances are connected in parallel, we have the expression for parallel combination 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Similarly, we can write 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, where Rp is the resistance, equivalent resistance of this combination, and R1 is the resistance offered by A and R2 be the resistance offered by B. Here resistance means resistance opposed to the heat, flow of heat current. But we know that resistance is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area. Therefore, we can write rho L divided by A, where rho is the resistivity or specific resistance. Therefore, we can write 1 divided by R, taking the reciprocal on both sides. 1 by R is equal to A divided by rho into L. Therefore, 1 by R is equal to 1 by rho into A divided by L. 1 by rho is the reciprocal of resistivity, reciprocal of the resistivity, reciprocal of this specific resistance. And here K means what? Conductance, thermal conductivity. Conductance of heat means thermal conductivity. 1 by rho is denoted by K. K and rho are the reciprocals to each other. Therefore, instead of 1 by rho, we can write Ka divided by L. And 1 divided by R is equal to Ka divided by L. Applying this formula and putting these values, in this case, we get 1 divided by Rp is equal to, what is K? What is Rp? Resistance offered by this composite slab. And Kp means conductivity of this composite slab. Therefore, Kp 2A divided by L. Here the area becomes double. For single rod, area अगर A है, दूसरे रॉड के लिए भी एरिया ये है, तो कॉम्पोजिट रॉड के लिए एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन कितना होने वाला है? Twice 2A. Therefore, we can write Kp 2A divided by L. Similarly, 1 by R1 is equal to K1A divided by L, and 1 by R2 is equal to K2 divided by A by L. Then the above equation 1 becomes, putting these all three values in equation number 1, we get Kp 2A divided by L is equal to K1A divided by L plus K2A divided by L. Multiplying on both sides, L will be get cancelled. We get this expression 2a kp is equal to k1a plus k2a. Dividing on both sides by a will be get cancelled. 2kp is equal to k1 plus k2. Therefore, kp is equal to k1 plus k2 divided by 2. Therefore, k of the composite slab or k equivalent is equal to k1 plus k2 divided by 2, and which is given in option number D. Thank you.